Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, S&P 500, E-mini futures, daily chart, and what we're seeing here is we're seeing some weakness overnight. We opened up big Sunday night, opened up about 10. We took it as high as 93.5, got within a few handles of the purple line here, the 200-day exponential moving average, which has been so important for us, and they came in and they sold it. And Europe sold it more, and we have traded as low as 73. So we've done 20 handles off the Globex highs. So, number one, anybody who thought the volatility from last week is over, no, it's not. We just did 20 off the Globex highs. Think back a month or so, month and a half, couple months ago. Think about the kind of shock and awe a 20 handle move off the Globex highs would be if you woke up and turned your computer on. What a complete anomaly that would have been back then. Now it's like, we sold off 20. That's because we keep ripping 30 and 40 back and forth. So the volatility is still here. So if you're a new trader, if you're new to trading, new to futures, if you have trouble taking stops, if you have trouble being wrong, if you have, any of these issues that traders deal with day in and day out, this is a high volatility market, and it's not for you. It is not for you, because a 3-handle stop turns into a 12-handle stop, and if you don't take that 7-8 handle stop or just decide to bite the bullet, on Thursday I took a -7. On Friday I took a -5. Okay, and the reason I do that is because look, you got to control it. The -7 ran another 20 handles, and then we finished up the day doing we got long. We did a +20. I'm making 2 points. You have to take that stop, because that kind of a stop in this kind of a market is the same as taking a -2 or a -3 everywhere else. And the other thing is this for you more experienced traders. If you're running around with your usual -2 stop on stuff, and then you're sitting there in your chair going, why do I keep getting stopped out? This is why. Because everything is expanded. And if you can't make that adjustment, you shouldn't be trading it either. This market should keep just about everybody on the sidelines. But nobody wants to stay on the sidelines because it looks fun and it's moving around, and you get greedy, you get dollar signs in your eyes, and then you get whacked with a -30. So please be careful. Control your size, control your risk. Take a stop. Take a stop. Because the next one, if it runs in your direction, that stop will be a distant memory for you. But you have to be disciplined. If you don't have discipline, don't trade this market. Wait for it to normalize. So I expect more volatility today. We just did 20 off the Globex. For now, the 200-day exponential moving average is resistance until it proves otherwise. They have to get it over and close over it. They have to close over 96.5. If they really want to do a show of strength, that'll happen today. The 200-day exponential moving average, for me at least, gets confirmed as resistance if we break the Friday low at 51 and close below it. We close below 51, the purple line is resistance. And we move forward likely to new lows. So the bulls really were in a great position last night at about midnight, and they are in a terrible position right now. They have to have a big day. So anyway, my biggest message to you guys today is just to be careful, because the volatility stuff is not over yet. And you want to be able to get through this volatility period with your account intact so you can trade things when they normalize. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website, Princetontrader.com. Check out the chat room. Come trade it with us. There are dozens and dozens of new people in there that are doing that right now, and we're all, they're learning together, and we've had a lot of them convert, and it's it's just a nice place to trade. And don't trade this stuff by yourself. Trade it with somebody. And if you're looking for somebody to trade it with, come check us out. Maybe we'll work for you. If we comport with your style, that's great. If we don't, that's okay too. But don't trade this stuff by yourself. All right, have a fantastic day. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well.